interest of full disclosure, itong kaibigan
Mm.
ko si Pao is a Hinebra fan.
Mm.
pero,
Sige. Oh.
pero, pero let me qualify, hindi siya diehard, meaning to say, he listens to reason. Hindi lang na
Mm.
rabid na ba, anything, basta Hinebra, no. Pag tingin niya mali, he will still say na mali. So,
Mm.
like this trade, mga kaibigan, no, they had a trade that was approved by the board 2 days ago na number one, no, not number one, first round pick ng Tira Perma in lieu of Maverick Ahan Misi, an asset Hinebra no longer used, and Aljon Mariano, also an asset Hinebra no longer used. So, dalawang, kung baga, let's just say, if I'm a card collector, I had two cards that are old and passe and I no longer use.
Mhm.
Napalitan ko ng the next big thing. Fair ba yun, Pao? Is that fair?
That's smart for Hinebra. But yeah, well, that's a smart move because if you look at it, magaling naman yung players na yon, pero yung ano din pinaka-caveat doon eh, 'di ba pag negotiate ka, kailangan yung ite-trade mo, yung ini-negotiate, hindi, importante sa amin to para malaki yung value. Pero it seems like parang walang value na yun eh, kasi kahit gaano kagaling, hindi ka naman kailangan ng team. Parang
Yeah.
you got something for not giving away nothing at all. So medyo unfair sa totoo lang.
Yes, because parang,
Smart. Smart for Nebra.
yes, but Pao, but you have to, the job of the PBA board is to not only look for the welfare of Ginebra, it has to look out for the welfare of the remainder of the league, which are 11 other teams. And this does not look good for the parity of the league, di ba? Kasi yung number,
Same issue.
I've said this so many times. The purpose of a draft is to help ensure parity. Meaning to say,
Yes.
there's a reason why yung mga masasamang team, yung mga kulelat na team, Blackwater, Terra Firma, Phoenix, there's a reason why they always get a high draft pick because that is the hope na sana yung mga fresh talent tulungan silang umaangat.
Mm.
Ginebra has no business getting the number one pick because that's a team that always competes for a championship. So yun ang mali doon. So again, sabihin ng Ginebra, binigay namin dalawang asset, Ahan Messi at Aljon Mariano. But yeah,
Mm.
Aljon Mariano is 33 years old. He's oft injured, magaling na player, but he has barely come out of Team Coach doghouse. Same thing with Maverick Ahan Messi. Last conference, I wrote a story about him. Sa Philippine Cup, nag-average ng 9 minutes a game. That's not an important piece of a team.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? So, here's what I found funny sa statement ni Coach Tim Cone. Sabi ni Coach Tim Cone, gusto daw umalis ni Ahan Messi. So, pinaalis daw niya dahil sa team daw nila, they don't hold hostages, volunteers.
Yeah, yes.
Oo. Pero nang umalis si Jamie Malonzo, parang nagalit yata si Coach Tim Cone dahil binangko si Jamie doon sa laro sa Saudi Arabia, sa Gilas, 'di ba?
Okay.
So much for, letting players leave on their own free will. So yan lang. But again, I put the blame here on, I cannot blame Tim Cone for trying to strengthen his team. Trabaho niya yun eh. But I think, I blame the PBA board for the commissioner's office, to be specific, for not being the guardrail. Diba? Dapat nandun ka, check, like sinabi mo kanina pa, checks and balances. Walang balance yata si Marshall eh. You have to wonder, siya ba talaga commissioner or does he just follow orders from the board?